Hi, I'm Adrienne Loukopoulos, an occupational therapist here at Freedom Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to take you through how to fit a over-the-counter wrist cock-up splint. Many patients will buy these for things such as carpal tunnel or just general wrist pain and are unsure how to fit it properly. So I have Lydia here. I'm going to demonstrate a splint that is too big first, and then we will go through one that is the right size for her. So if we put this on, I'm going to have you slide in there. So you can see that the straps are so big that they're bunching up on top of each other. And if I have her turn around, you can see that it's coming up too high. If she tries to make a full fist, the splint will not stay in place. If you look at her thumb, you can also see that there is too much space around her thumb not fitting properly. So we're going to take this one off. And we're going to put on the size that is correct for Lydia. So when you're buying these splints, a lot of them have a metal bar that can slide out and you can adjust. You want the metal bar to have a slight curve to it to bring your wrist into slight extension, but it shouldn't be so far back or so far forward. So you can bend them to make them the right shape. So we'll slide that back in. We'll have Lydia slide into the splint. So when you're putting the straps on, you'll tighten up, but you should be able to fit about one finger underneath. So they're not so tight that they're cutting off any circulation. If you do feel any numbness or tingling coming on or pain, loosen the straps. If we turn it over, you can see when Lydia makes a full fist, she can reach her fingers and the splint stays into place. If I have her extend, the splint should be resting underneath the crease of your palm. So you should be able to see that crease right there, and you can see hers right there. So if we turn it back over, you can also cut the straps if they're too long so that they're not hanging, so you can just adjust that and the Velcro doesn't get caught on anything else. When you're buying a splint, be cautious of how much swelling you have in the hand. As the swelling goes down, it'll cause the splint to be too big. If you have further questions on how to fit your splint properly, please reach out to us here at Freedom Physical Therapy.